Welcome back to Otkin Outdoors. I am Aaron Otkin. I am your host that catches one fish at a time every video. But anyway, we are here at the Rat River, just off a bridge. I've never tried this spot. I'm going to try it today. Hopefully there's something to catch here. If not, I might head to the Wolf River and try there. I've also had a lot of questions about the jet ski. I haven't taken it out yet. It's too cold right now in Wisconsin. It's about 50 degrees today, and the water temperature is 45, 50, somewhere in there. So it's pretty cold for a jet ski. I don't have a wetsuit yet. I am hoping to buy one by fall, and I'm gonna be able to take it out in the fall for fall fishing. But yeah, that's the update on that. I'm itching to take it out. It's been sitting in my garage. I've been making payments on it, and I haven't even been able to use it. So yeah, let's catch some fish. All right, first bait we're gonna use, stick bait. There we go. I think that was a fish. I had one last year. When my bait hit the water, it actually flew out like a dolphin and landed on it, and I caught it. Just head first, right towards the bank. Cast it out right by the bank. Jumps out of the water, slams his head into it, gets hooked. And the crazy part is it went in his mouth. So he like intended to do that. Oh! Well, I had a little freak out there. There's a big northern. I don't know if he's big, but there's a mid-range northern. Weeds, 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 everywhere you go. Weeds, weeds, weeds. Suck. My new single, Weeds. Just a preview. I went and got the Daiwa, or I should say the Daiwa Presso with the little jig. Yeah, we're just gonna try going for something small. I've only seen one big fish out here, so might as well try something different. So caught the perch on something like that last week. We'll try catch a crappie or bluegill or something. Oh, cast pretty good in the wind. Can't get over that. It's such a little setup. That doesn't stop the weeds, of course. The weeds. Everywhere you go, there's weeds around. Weeds suck. They really suck. Trying to catch a stupid fish, but the weeds are telling me I can't today. This is deeper water over here. I have seen fish. So, and I know a northern hit on these little guys. There we go. Finally got something. Oh, and it is a northern pike. I told you they like this. It's gonna cut me off. I'm gonna lose my jig. Stop freaking out, buddy. I gotta find my pliers here first. Little snake. Oh, he fell off that. Can you let go of my line here? Can you let go? There we go, you little rat. Just a snake. Slimy old snake. But I will take it. Oh, that's fun. On the ultralight. That is fun. So that was definitely smaller than that first northern. Well, I'm back home. What you guys didn't see, because my camera shut off, I ran out of battery, was I caught the very next cast after catching that little tiny pike. I caught a little 25-incher, somewhere around there. So a better fish. And unfortunately, I went back to the camera and it turned off. So that stinks, but thanks for watching. It can only get better. Ouch. Oh my gosh. That's mud. Whoa, whoa.